This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by checking prerequisites. You need one wild shard and an energy source, so gather them now. Once collected, move directly to the nearest sanctum or conversion altar. This reduces travel time and risk. Make sure to equip a stabilizer or any 0. 5 cast speed buff because shard activation is time sensitive. Why do this? Faster casts lower failure chance and conserve resources. Now, position yourself facing the altar, hold block or aim, and prepare the shard for the initial charge. You now execute the complex middle steps. Press and hold your primary activation to focus the shard, then tap secondary to bind it. Timing matters. Once bound, monitor the display meter and keep charge within the green band. This ensures a stable conversion and prevents explosion. If playing with others, use a 3-second delay skill or counting Q to sync activations. This multiplies effect rather than wasting shards. Keep calm and steady inputs. Rushing causes misbinds and resource loss. You finish by releasing focus and confirming the conversion prompt displayed on screen. That locks the shard into its new form. After conversion, immediately move the result into a safe inventory slot or bank to prevent accidental use or loss. If you encounter failure, diagnose quickly. Often the charge was too high, so reduce your input by 1/4 and try again. Also check latency and stabilizer durability. Remember why these steps matter. Careful control saves shards, time, and in-game currency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.